This is a 2013 Bryant 198. Beautiful, well-kept boat. Super clean. Comes with single axle trailer with a swing tongue. .3 liter MerCruiser Alpha 1. Nice little swim platform. This is a 19-foot bowrider. Now stepping into the cockpit. Lots of speakers and cup holders. It does have a convenient walk-through on your starboard side. Captain's chair with a bolster seat. Stepping up to the helm. All your gauges. Everything to make things simple. Your side controls. Like I said, 4.3 liter MerCruiser. Storage under all your seats. Convenient anchor locker off the bow. This bow rider is rated for 9 people. Storage under the helm. As well as lots of storage under the passenger side helm. Convenient lockable glove box. Storage under all your seats in the cockpit as well. It is snap out flooring, so you can take it out and clean it. Interior lighting. 6 speakers throughout. Bimini and cover are included. Nice large sun pad. This is a 2013 Bryant 198.